In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workspaces in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a central hub where your team can store sheets, organize projects, and control access with confidence. Start by opening Smartsheet and signing in. Once you're in, head to the Home tab. This is your control center for creating and managing workspaces. Think of a workspace as a shared container for everything related to a project, department, or client. Keeping related items together makes it easier to onboard teammates, manage permissions, and keep work organized over time. If you don't have Smartsheet yet, there's a link to the Smartsheet website and app at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. To create a new workspace, click Create, then select Workspace. Give it a clear, memorable name so everyone recognizes its purpose at a glance. A simple naming pattern like Team, Project Year can go a long way in keeping things neat, especially if your organization works across many initiatives. Now, let's add content. Inside your new workspace, click Add or Create. You can bring in existing sheets that you or your team already use, or you can create new ones from scratch. As you add items, arrange them in a way that matches how your team thinks and works. Drag and drop to reorder, and keep similar items grouped together so people can find what they need fast. If you want additional structure, create folders inside the workspace. Just right-click in the workspace and choose Create Folder. Folders are great for grouping sheets by project phase, team function, or client. Name folders consistently so the structure stays predictable as your workspace grows. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share at the top of the workspace. Add teammates by email and choose the right permission level for each person. Viewers can see content without making changes. Editors can update sheets and collaborate, and admins can manage settings and structure. Setting the right role up front helps prevent mistakes and keep sensitive items protected. You can adjust access anytime from the workspace settings. One of the big advantages of workspaces is that permissions cascade to everything inside, keeping access simple and secure as you add new sheets and folders. To keep your workspace healthy, remove outdated sheets when they're no longer needed, and archive completed projects into folders so history is preserved without creating clutter. Stick with consistent names and a clear folder structure, and consider a quick monthly cleanup to keep everything sharp. Workspaces in Smartsheet help teams stay organized, control access, and collaborate efficiently from one central place. Thanks for watching.